can we identify the best performing mutual fund for the next 1, 3, 5, and 10 years going forward? What would you think? No, I can't. And I've come clean and admitted that, okay? Because I've spent thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of time trying to uncover outperforming mutual funds. And what I've come to realize over the last 22 years is I can't predict which mutual fund will outperform the other similar funds. And the good news is neither can anyone else. But unfortunately, I thought I was smart enough to be able to do this. It took me a while to figure it out. But nobody can do this. Turns out you shouldn't try because this is what's called the periodic table of investment returns. And this is a little bit hard for you guys to read, I apologize, but look at the colors. Each one of these colors represents a different investment asset class. So you got the S&P 500 growth, you got the S&P 500 itself, the S&P value, the Russell 2000 growth, the Russell 2000 value, high yield bonds, regular bonds, the international bond market, and the emerging market bond market. And you know, in the late 90s, when I was doing a lot of my seminars, the S&P 500 and large cap US stocks were the best place to be, and then they weren't. And then they were for a while, and then they weren't. And if you notice, emerging markets were really good there for about 5 years, and then they weren't. And if you'll notice, there is no rhyme or reason to this chart. The emerging markets were the worst place to be for 4 or 6 years, and then it was the best place to be for 4 or 6 years. The S&P was one of the best places to be for 4 years, and then one of the worst places to be for 4 years. Can anybody see a pattern here? Do you see a pattern here? There is no pattern, right? I mean, there is no pattern, okay? You cannot predict future performance by past performance.